There are a few different types of wills. Most common is just a simple, straightforward will. Now, couples who are perhaps leaving similar assets to each other might decide to have a mirror will. So an example of that would be the spouse who leaves everything on the first death to the surviving spouse, and then perhaps to the children on the second spouse's death. There may be something a little bit more complicated required. They may decide to consider a property trust will. Now, an example of that is where you may leave your interest in a property or half share to your children, but give your spouse the right to live in the property for the rest of their lives. There are trust wills that you might want to contemplate. Perhaps a discretionary will trust may be appropriate. If perhaps you've got children who are a little bit financially uncertain, or you're a little bit wary as to whether they'll spend the money if they inherit early, or perhaps you've got a family member who's got addictions and you want to protect them. A discretionary will trust means that you put the monies into trust and the trustees administer that trust and release the monies when they think it's appropriate. A flexible life interest trust will may be something that you consider if you want to make sure that a family member gets an income for the lifetime. So there are all different types of will trusts and wills that may be appropriate, and we would discuss with you your needs and what's appropriate for you.